Hello and welcome to digitalaccesspass.com. My name is Veena Prashant, and today I'm excited to let you know that we have added an amazing new feature to DApp's learning management system. You will now be able to create, fully customize, and award certificates to your users, to your students when they complete your course. So in this video, I'll take you behind the scenes to quickly show you how you can create a certificate, customize it, and assign it to your courses in DApp, and what your users need to do to earn a certificate and how they can download it. Now, I just released a course called Let's Build an Online Course. Now, I have created this course using DApp. I'm also using the DApp's certificate feature to award a certificate to those that complete the course. So let me give you a quick demo to show you how it works. And if you want to check it out yourself, just go to membershipsitelab.com, sign up for my free course there, and you can experience it yourself. So here I'm going to log in as a user who has access to this course. When users log in, I send them to the first lesson of the course. And here you can see I have a progress bar at the top. I have a table of content here, and towards the bottom of this lesson, there is a mark as complete button. When they click on it, it will say, congrats, you have completed this. They can click on next lesson. And this is the next lesson, lesson number 2. Same deal. I have a progress bar at the top. I have course outline here and mark as complete. Users click on it. Next lesson. All right, so this is the last and final lesson, and this is what I have right now. I'm still in the process of building this course. I'll be adding a lot more lessons. But when users click on the mark as complete button, because this is the last lesson, see here, a download certificate button automatically shows up, and that's my configuration. I have configured DApp to automatically display a download button when users complete the last lesson in the course. And right now, this is the last lesson. So I have configured this button to show up. All right. And when they click on it, so this is the certificate. This is completely customizable, fully customizable in the back end. You can say whatever you want. You can change all the text that you see here. You can upload your own logo image. All of these are merge tags in DApp. DApp will automatically replace these merge tags with the student's name and the name of the course. So first I'm going to quickly show you my course settings, and then I'll show you how to create a certificate for a course that you create in DApp. So you can see here, this is the DApp products page. This is the course. I have set this up as an online course structure, modules and lessons, and course progress. Users are allowed to access the next lesson only if they complete the previous lesson. So billing and access, this is just a free course, but you can set up your billing and access details here. Notifications, I have set a welcome email. When users sign up, they get this email with their login credentials so they can log in and access the course. And in the content responder tab, I have created my course structure. So you can see here, I have 2 modules right now. I'm still in the process of building this course. At this time, I have 2 modules. There are 2 lessons under each module. When you use DApp for your online courses, the cool thing is you can create your lessons in WordPress using whatever page builder you want and just make it part of your course. For example, say that you want this page to be part of this course. Just drag it and drop it under the right module. And that's it. This lesson is now part of this module. I'm going to delete it. So you can create your course structure in the content responder tab. You can create your modules. You can assign lessons to the right module, protect your content. All of that you can do here. And that's pretty much it. So in the advanced tab, I have set up my redirect, my post login to the first lesson page. So when users sign up and they log in, they're going to be sent to this page and they can get started with the course. That's my course setup. All right, so then in the courses tab, you can see there are different tabs here for different shortcodes. If you want to create a course outline shortcode, you can create it here and pretty straightforward. Click on it, follow the steps here. It's fully customizable. It'll give you a shortcode. Enter it anywhere you want on a WordPress page, and you will have a table of content for your course. Progress bar. This one you can publish it on your lesson pages so your users can see how much they have completed and what's still left. Now, mark as complete is something you should publish towards the bottom of each lesson page. All of these shortcodes that you see here, they are going to be the exact same for all of the lessons in a course. So it's not going to change. You just have to do this once for each one of your courses in DApp, just once. All right, so mark as complete button can be customized here. And when users click on it, then DApp will send them to the next lesson. And the next button customizer is here. So when they click on the mark as complete button, the next lesson button will open up and they can click on it to get to the next lesson. And manage students, you can manage your students and you can see the course progress and all of that here. When you click on it, You can see it shows the student name, email, course name, all the certificates that they have earned, and you can also reset their course access so they can start from the beginning of the course. And view details will show you all the modules and lessons under the course and what they have completed and what's still pending. And if you have quizzes connected to the course, it will show you the quiz details here as well. So manage quizzes, if you use Smart Quiz Builder, which is our quiz plugin, and if you have connected it to your lessons in DAP, you will find quiz results here and certificates. Manage certificates is where you can go to create a new certificate, customize it, and also you can use the same certificate for all of your courses. It's all shortcode based. DAP will automatically replace it with the right course name. So you don't have to create different certificates. You can just create one and use it for all of your courses. But if you want to create different ones for different courses and customize it differently, that's completely up to you. You can do that as well. Now in the assign and download certificate page, you can assign a certificate to your course in DAP. And also you can configure DAP to display a download certificate button automatically on the last lesson page. So you can have it show up on the last lesson page of your course, or you can configure DAP to show it when users click on the Mark as Complete button on the last lesson page. So when they click the button, a download certificate button will automatically show up there. They can click on it to view the certificate and download it. I'll show you how it works, but it can all be automated. And download all certificates. What you can do here is you can create a shortcode that you can publish it in your members area. So when users go there, they will find a list of all the courses they have taken and also the certificates that they have earned. So let's start with manage certificates. So I'm going to go here and click on add new certificate to add a new certificate for my new course. Certificate name, give it any name you want. Status, if you want to deactivate it for whatever reason, you can. This way the certificate will not show up in the front end. It will be as if the certificate didn't exist, but by default it's set to active. Signature option, you can have your name show up or you can upload a signature. So this will show up in the signature area of your certificate. And logo image, you can upload a logo image here. For now, I'm not going to upload anything. I want to show you what it looks like by default. And then we'll come back here and upload an image and I'll show you how you can customize it. And that's it. Right now we have this one template, but soon we'll be adding more templates here. So just click on it and then you can customize it. So select. All right, so you can see here, this is the customizer and everything that you see here is click and edit. You can change it to say whatever you want it to say. DAP will automatically replace these merge tags with the student name and the course name and admin name or your signature, whatever you have in the first tab. If you upload a signature, that's what is going to show up, and date. So you don't have to create different certificates. You just need to create one, customize it, and use it for all of your courses. But that's completely up to you. And that's it. So everything is click and edit. You can change it to say whatever you want it to say. All right, just do not replace these, but everything else you can change. Just use these merge tags. You can also change the width, the template width. So you can see 900, 1000, 1200. These are the three options we have right now. And that's it. All right. So once you customize it, you can save it. Now, this is the logo image I was talking about earlier. And you can replace this with your own image. And so here, so I'm going to upload this image. So now you can see in the customizer, this is what the image looks like. You can see there is a resize icon here that will allow you to resize it. Okay, expand it, make it wider, anything like this. So you can customize it and have it show up, whatever logo image you have on your certificate. And that's it. Go ahead and save it. All right. So now we have created the certificate. The next step is to assign the certificate to the course. So let's go back. Assign and download certificate. So click on it. Assign and download certificate. Click on that. Select course name. So here we are doing it for this course. Select certificate. So here you can select any one of your certificates that you have created in the certificate page. I just have one. I'll select it. Rules and display settings. What criteria should be used to generate a certificate? Do you want it to show up when users click on the Mark as Complete button on the last lesson page of your course? Or do you want it to show up when users just visit the last lesson page? So by default, it's set to when users click on the Mark as Complete button. And do you want DAP to automatically display the certificate when users click on the Mark as Complete button? So if you want it to automatically display it, you can set this to yes. That's the default setting. But if you want to manually insert the shortcode on that page, on your last lesson page, you can do that too. All right. So you can turn this off and manually insert it wherever you want it to show up. My preference is automatic, so I just leave it on like this. So say that you have a download certificate button inserted on a page, but the user is not eligible for a certificate yet. Do you want to display a message and say, sorry, you're not yet eligible for the certificate? Or do you want the download button to just disappear and pretend like it never existed there, right? So you can do that. And this is the download button. And this is fully customizable. You can increase the width, you can increase the height, you can change the text and increase the font size if you want. Say, I'm going to increase it to this, change the color, and that's it. You have a download certificate button. This will show up in the front end when users complete the course. So I'm going to save it, and it gives you a short code, but you don't have to copy it anywhere if you set this up to automatically display like I have done here. Go ahead and save it. That's it. It's done. So now let me show you what download all certificates is all about. So go here, select the course. So say that let's build an online course. That's my course. This is the table. All right. So if you want a table like this to show up in the members area, so your users can find the courses and all the certificates they have earned, and they can download the certificate and see when they completed it and all that. You can create a shortcode for this as well. So, and there is a customizer here. You can customize the text and all that. And everything here is click and edit. You can change it to whatever you want it to say. This is just placeholder text. It will be replaced by actual course name and the date of completion and all that in the front end. All right, and that's it. It will give you a shortcode. See here, this is the shortcode. Copy it and publish it anywhere you want on your member homepage. When users log in and they go to that page, they will find a table like this where they will find a list of all the courses and all the certificates they have earned. And if they have not yet earned a certificate, it will not show anything under this column, but otherwise it will show them a download button. They can click on it, view the certificate, and download it. I hope this was helpful. My name is Veena Prashant. If you have any questions, do let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.